The ABS Control Module, or ECU, is the brain of your vehicle's anti-lock braking system. It processes data from wheel speed and G-force sensors to prevent wheel lockup during braking, ensuring stability and shorter stopping distances. It modulates hydraulic pressure via solenoids at 15 to 20 Hz when activated. The most obvious sign is the ABS warning light staying on in your dashboard. This indicates a detected fault within the ABS system and requires immediate attention. Ignoring this warning can lead to reduced braking effectiveness. Have a mechanic diagnose the issue. Brake pedal pulsation or vibration is a common symptom of ABS module failure. During braking, you may feel an unintended pulsing through the pedal. This occurs because the ABS system is activating erratically, rapidly modulating brake pressure to prevent wheel lockup. The pulsation typically happens at a frequency of 15 to 20 Hz when the ABS modulators engage. This symptom often indicates issues with wheel speed sensors providing incorrect data or problems with the internal solenoid valves in the ABS module that control hydraulic pressure. Symptom 3. Increased stopping distances. If your vehicle takes longer to stop, especially in wet or slippery conditions, the ABS module may be malfunctioning. Longer stopping distances significantly reduce safety and increase the risk of accidents. Test your braking distance in a safe environment to check if it's normal. Grinding, clicking, or squealing noises during braking can indicate problems within the ABS modulator. These sounds suggest mechanical failure of the internal components regulating brake pressure. Prompt inspection is recommended to avoid further damage. A malfunctioning ABS module can lead to reduced effectiveness of traction control or stability systems, particularly on slippery surfaces. If you notice your vehicle losing traction more easily, the ABS system might not be properly preventing wheel lockup. Drive with caution and seek professional help. Symptom 6 occurs when the ABS control module completely fails, causing wheel lockup during hard braking. This dangerous condition mimics the behavior of vehicles without ABS systems. When wheels lock up, steering becomes impossible, as shown in this dashboard view where the steering wheel is locked. This creates a critical safety risk. The main risks include reduced steering control and increased stopping distances, which can lead to accidents. Immediate repair is essential. Contact a qualified mechanic right away to diagnose and fix the ABS control module. ABS control module failures often stem from electrical faults like corroded wiring or blown fuses, sensor malfunctions such as faulty wheel speed sensors, module damage from moisture overheating or physical impact, and software glitches involving ECU integration issues. For repairs, use an OBD2 scanner to read error codes like C0035 for sensor circuits. Inspect wiring sensors and hydraulic lines for damage. Replacement modules cost $300 to $800 and require reprogramming to the vehicle's VIN. Prevention involves regular maintenance, sensor cleaning, and avoiding water exposure in wheel wells. Basic checks are DIY friendly, but reprogramming requires professional tools. Note that post-COVID supply chain issues have increased module costs by 20 to 30%.